polygon. We talk about angle in polygon. We have isosceles angle, quadrilateral triangle, and angle at a straight line. When you do angle on a straight line, it is what? 180. But angle at a point, it is at points, it is 360 degrees. Angle on a straight line, it is 180 degrees. And opposite angle, look at it. I'll talk about opposite angle. This and this, A, B. This is opposite angle. Opposite angle are equal. This and this, they are the same. Because when we talk about opposite angle, they are the same. If you get 60 here, you are going to get 60 here because they are opposite to each other. And these are the angle that we must know that they are opposite to one another. Yesterday, I taught you that when you are solving for angle and they have more than 2 or 3 letters representing them, and you discover that there is an opposite angle on it, the opposite angle that you discover that is on it, you will, once you solve for A, which is the opposite of that B, you automatically know that A and B, they are what? They are the same. Look at this for example. You have this, you have this. You now have something like this, for example. If you are solving for this, A, B, C, and you have P, 0, no, Q, 0, R, S. Angle P, O, look at it, P, O, Q, this is angle, plus angle Q, O, R. Q, O, R. Plus this angle R, O, S. R, O, S. Everything is what? 180. Because I told you angle on a straight line, it is what? 180. So any angle that you are dealing with, that I just draw any single straight line like this, it is 180 degree. Believe me. Angle at a point, it is 360. I'm drawing you back to what we have done yesterday. Because now, angle in polygon, that's our topic. Angle in polygon, it is angle that is must mention in this dimension. That's it. It is mentioned in this dimension. You must understand that when you are having an angle in a polygon that is mentioned in this dimension, it shows. Yeah, it's quadrilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and I told you that yesterday that angle at a point, no matter the way you see it, it will always be equal to 360 degrees Celsius. 360 degrees. If you the maximum angle that you can get, it is to accumulate everything to 360 degrees. Look at this now. C, D, A is equal to B because it's an opposite angle. Yes. It's an opposite angle because it is this A is equal to B. That one will make it to be an what? Opposite angle. So if you now see that this opposite angle can never get another thing. Once you solve for this A, you will get B. That this A is equal to B. That's what it's telling you. Because it is what? Opposite angle. So this opposite angle that you are seeing, if I get, assuming, let me say, my A is equal to 60. What is my B?
60.
Because it's opposite to A. And when this one is opposite to this, it is opposite angle. An angle that is opposite to one another, we call them opposite angle. We also have adjacent angle. The adjacent angle, it's used in elevation and depression. It is adjacent to each other. It is adjacent to each other. But when you see, but today we are going to majorly focus on opposite angle, because opposite angle is what we need most. It is what we need most. I want us to understand this angle in polygon, because angle in polygon is not something that we can just do. We must understand the principle behind the angle in polygon. If you don't understand this, you just came in, you see that I told you that this, when you see this mark, it is showing that it's an angle.
Yes.
And this place, it is where the angle is. It can be angle 60, it can be angle 30, it can be angle 45, it can be angle 90. But it must not exceed 180, because we are using straight line as our what? Angle on a straight line is equal to
180 degree.
So if you see anything drawn on a straight line, you assume it, even without solving it or without looking at it, everything should be what? 180. If I add A plus B plus C, it will give me my 180. That's it. So we must understand that this is the normal way that this is coming. You understand? This is the normal way that it must come, and this is what we must understand. So that's it. Angle on a straight line, angle in polygon. We will talk about angle on a straight line, opposite angle, isosceles triangle, quadrilateral triangle, and so on and so forth. So you must understand that that's what we are going to do in this term. But today I will go further on angle in polygon. Yesterday we have done this. I just bring this one as a revision for us to know. So today we are going to go further. I believe that you will understand this. For me not to be repeat myself. So when we are going further, we'll just make a little recap of what we have done in previous class, so that we can get it. So I believe that you understand what I have taught you in the previous class. So thanks.